The Constitution of India empowers you by giving you the right to vote. Not exercising the right to vote is absolutely wrong. If we do not participate in democratic exercises, then we can easily find proof of how positively we view the Constitution. Each tool and component is needed to run the system. But just because we want to remain in our comfort zone, we do not step out of our comfort zone. I was very happy to see that many independent candidates came forward and joined the election process as candidates, bringing their own ideas with them. Among such people, some were old and some were young. India's democratic system gives India a unique character. There is no doubt that this is the biggest democracy. I would like to present here some principles of success of democracy. Democracy for duties. The Constitution has given us rights and duties. It is our fundamental duty to be aware of our rights. Principle of expectation. In democracy, the principle of expectation is given the highest priority. We must make the principle of expectation clear for our all-round development, but as public or voters, we do not think seriously. Our expectations are very mild. We must express our expectations with magnanimity. In the national context, it is the misfortune of this country that we talk most in political terms and are not able to use our voting power. Barring special circumstances, in normal times, we should participate in the voting process without any laziness. Theory of analytical intelligence of voters. Information, narratives, rumors, fake news, false news are also political diseases. It can be said with confidence that this does not do any good to the nation. Voters who participate in the political process do not have any agenda of their own. Committed and managed media uses its influence to confuse the voters. And the voter thinks that he has cast his vote after a lot of thought. We can call this mass confusion. Theory of psyops. Common people in public life become victims of psychological operations. You may have ever heard of a group of jackals. When one jackal in the pack howls, then all the jackals start howling. Clever strategists create such an environment that the jackal groups are forced to do this. Such an environment has a negative impact on the democratic system. Social media is used as a tool to exert such influence. All the above situations affect the voter. Our endeavor should be to participate in the voting process by becoming an intelligent and responsible citizen.